Is your Galaxy S26 connected to Wi-Fi but everything still loads painfully slow? Maybe videos keep buffering, apps take forever to open, or websites won't load as quickly as they should. The good news is that this usually isn't a hardware problem. In most cases, you can get your Wi-Fi speed back with a few simple fixes. Let's start with the easiest one. First, refresh your Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes your phone simply needs to establish a fresh connection with your router, so swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Tap the Wi-Fi tile to turn it off, then wait about 10 seconds before tapping it again to turn it back on. Once Wi-Fi reconnects, try opening a website or streaming a short video to see if the connection feels faster. If your internet is still slow, let's restart your Galaxy S26. Even if Wi-Fi is connected, background services or temporary system glitches can affect your connection speed. To do this, press and hold the power button, then tap Restart. Once your phone finishes rebooting, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and test your internet again. Still running into slow speeds? Let's check the other end of the connection. Your router works continuously, and over time it can develop temporary issues that slow down every device connected to it. Go ahead and unplug your router from the power outlet, then leave it unplugged for about 30 seconds. Plug it back in, and wait until all of the indicator lights return to normal before testing your Wi-Fi again. If other devices in your home are also running slowly, there's a good chance the router was the problem all along. If restarting the router didn't help, let's reconnect to your Wi-Fi network from scratch. Sometimes the saved network profile on your phone becomes outdated or corrupted. Go back to Settings, then tap Connections. Tap Wi-Fi, then select the network you're connected to. Tap Forget, then confirm your choice. Now tap the same Wi-Fi network again and enter your password to reconnect. This creates a completely new connection between your Galaxy S26 and your router, and it's often enough to clear up stubborn speed issues. If you're still dealing with slow internet, let's reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. This removes corrupted network settings without deleting your personal files. Go back to Settings, then tap General Management. Tap Reset, then select Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Read the information on the screen, then confirm the reset. Keep in mind that you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and pair your Bluetooth devices again afterward. If you've made it this far and your Galaxy S26 is still getting slow Wi-Fi speeds, the problem may not be with your phone. Try running a speed test on another device connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If every device is experiencing the same slow speeds, it's time to contact your internet provider. They can check for service outages, line problems, or issues with your modem that you can't fix from your end. That's it for this guide. One of these solutions is usually enough to get your Galaxy S26 back up to speed. Thanks for watching.